Another thing, I'm gonna put a little review there so you can see it. It's this windbreaker, windslayer they call it. All right. I knew about this years ago because spend a lot of hours, working on our videos, put music and stuff, because the rear camera, the wind, it's just not very nice. Okay, I'll try my best, but we got this like about a month ago. This is like what they call the windslayer. You can get it for any GoPro. This is the 8, and I'm gonna put 2 video clips. You're gonna see it without, before, and with it. Yes, we have tested. It's amazing. It cuts the wind noise, like I say, like at least 70%. Okay, so let's hear the video. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. So, it's a gorgeous day, and babe,